Let's call upon Catherine to share her view on good habits. Hello everyone, my name is Catherine. I am studying LKG and Shanti Niketa English Medium Current. Today, similar topic is good habits. I go to bed early, I wake up early, I brush my teeth, I wash my hands before and after eating. I take a bath every day. I make clean clothes. I comb my hair neatly. I keep my nails clean and cut. Thank you everyone. Som Som Prasu told us what we have to follow. Give her a good cheer up.